My name is Stav. I'm a patient experience manager in the ER. Our goal is to make the patient experience much better. The default is when people come to the ER, they're very nervous, they're coming for a reason that, not for a good reason, as it's something that's emergency. And we try to make it much easier. You can reach us in any point, whatever, like the patient, when it starts to feel like it's difficult for him, if it's to get information or even like an emotional support, we're coming inside. If they need some food or drink, or just to even help the older one to get inside the website, to see the results of the test, everything you can imagine that someone needs here in the ER, we do. For example, if you need underwear for women, for men, they put different size. Of course, everything, especially for the winter, we have some t-shirts, or do you have also for women toiletic if you need some pads or tampons. We have a kit like this. They can, sometimes if they need it, we give them. You have everything, so like small shampoo or small toothbrush. The team here, if you work in the ER, you really need to love it, because otherwise it's very hard. Like the hours, night shift, the people, and I think even the stress you have here, you get inside the shift. You don't know how it will start and you don't know how it will end, and you take it home with you, and a few hours after, you're here again. I think that's the most amazing about here. People are actually coming here to save lives or to do much better care